colors. Create impressions. Impressions create memories. Memories create value. And value generates opportunities for better and stronger business. Welcome to the world of Stovec, where we make means to print your colorful imagination. Stovec is a subsidiary of the SPGPrints group, headquartered in the Netherlands. SPGPrints have manufacturing facilities and offices worldwide in 10 countries. Stovec was established in 1972, and is recognized as the leading global competence center in SPGPrints group, because of our strong operational base for rotary printing. From pre-press, to inks and rotary screens, to printing equipment, we offer a complete range of solutions in both rotary and digital textile printing segments. Based on technologies of electroforming, electroplating, and engraving, our rotary screens hold undisputed dominance in the domestic market. In the non-textile segment, we manufacture electroformed products for sugar industry, packaging, and label. Security printing industry. Our facility in Ahmedabad spreads over an area of 49,000 square meters with its own R&D center recognized by Government of India, and is involved in development, production, installation, supply and after-sales service support. We take great pride in having India's only air-conditioned screen manufacturing facility that is equipped with the latest equipment to manufacture world-class nickel rotary screens. We have our own paint shop with shot blasting facility that renders our customers with the highest level of paint quality and increase in the life of machine parts, thus reducing the overall order-to-delivery cycle of printing equipment as well. Operating on the principles of lean manufacturing, we've created a robust, integrated workflow on our production floor that has improved our efficiency and reduced the total cycle time. This has allowed our production facility to harness capacity to manufacture 5 rotary machines at a time. With our strong market intelligence and anticipating the global market needs, Stovec proudly claims itself as a dependable partner to our global customers in finding the most suitable printing solution. Our fully automatic Pegasus Evo machine, or the individual drive RD8 series machine, have set new standards in rotary screen printing, which is strongly evident from their proven price to performance ratio and global acceptance by customers. With a strong installed base worldwide, built up within a short period of introduction, testifies these machines as ideal where quantity is a priority and quality is a promise. Stovec engineers integrates scientific principles, technical knowledge and application know-how, while designing the fundamental elements of machines, thus creating a niche for us and our products in the industry. Our professionals are highly skilled with never-ending passion and effort for providing products with best-in-class quality levels. All our products are manufactured in accordance with the European standards and undergo a stringent process for quality assurance. Every machine undergoes a temperature and vibration test along with numerous quality audits before they are dispatched to avoid any future breakdowns. With more than 300 plus quality control plans and standard operating procedures in place, Stovec greatly believes in Poka-yoke, Kaizen and other operational methodologies since inception.
SPGPrints has state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for producing rotary printing machines and rotary screens. We follow the world-class standards of quality, health, safety, and environment. Customer delight is most important for us and is at the core of our manufacturing philosophy. We always walk an extra mile to support our customers globally, and that is the reason why we have several satisfied customers all across the globe, including North and South America, Europe, CIS countries, China, Japan, Turkey, Africa, India and Indian subcontinents.
We have our own state-of-the-art zero-discharge ETP. Backing our commitment to quality and sustainability are our various accolades that speak about our responsibility towards creating a sustainable and green future. Not only our production technology is unparalleled, but also, our more than 300 employees work in a world-class office setup with advanced integrated software, for their quicker and accurate real-time communication with customers, stakeholders worldwide. European quality products, full-scale stores, and spares department, tailor-made machines, shortest delivery times, and prompt after-sales support. Stovec has left no stone unturned to become a one-stop shop for its clients' needs. With decades of visionary leadership, combined with our futuristic market insights, we at Stovec aim to remain the undisputed name and fulfill our brand promise of all you need in printing.